Hello everyone, I'm Rameshwari Holkar. Welcome to Excel Civis Academy. In these sessions, we are learning India's drainage system. In the previous session, we already have completed the river origin of Kaveri as well as its left bank tributary. In this session, we will complete the right bank tributaries. We are understanding that the wrangle between these two states of Karnataka and Tamil Nadu has worsened in this year. There are two major reasons are responsible for that. The first is a deficit of monsoon. Almost 44% of deficit of advancing monsoon. Because of that, there is no water in this water basin. And the second important reason of creating and constructing many multi-purpose projects by the upper riparian state of Karnataka, example is the Mekadatu project. Because of that, there is a less water is there in the basin of Kaveri in the lower riparian state of Tamil Nadu. Of course, there will be a major problem as the river Kaveri is a lifeline for the state of Tamil Nadu. What is the solution? Watershed management, rainwater harvesting, taking this Water Act 1981 very seriously, cooperative federalism, etc. We are not going to go so much of detail. Now we will confine ourselves to understand about the river Kaveri and its right bank tributary. These sessions will be extremely useful for upcoming preliminary examination as well as for all the state PCS examination. So let's learn about the right bank tributaries of the river Kaveri as well as some important protected areas and multipurpose projects associated with the river Kaveri. So the first river or first right bank tributary that we have is this river Lakshman Tirtha. Then second important right bank tributary is river Kabini, Bhavani, Noyal and Amravati. So these are the 5 important right bank tributaries. Now one trivial information to remember is that all these right bank tributaries originate from the Western Ghat. In the previous session, we also understood out of all this left bank tributary, only one river that is Amravati does not originate from the Western Ghat, rest all originate from the Western Ghat. So let's one by one, we will understand about this detail of these rivers. The first is a Lakshman Tirtha river. Lakshman Tirtha river originates from the Western Ghat, from the Brahmagiri hill range, from the Coorg district, which is also called as a Scotland of India. Now this Lakshman Tirtha entirely flows from the state of Karnataka. What a trivial information one need to remember is that this river Lakshman Tirtha confluence with the river Kaveri, their construction of Krishna Raja Sagar Dam has already constructed in 18th and 19th century by M. Vishweshwaraya. Now you understand that this entire region of Karnataka, of the eastern side of Western Ghat, is a leeward side of this monsoon. So this area will definitely a drought prone or a arid zone. So the situation, to control the situation during that time, M. Vishweshwaraya has recommended and constructed this dam which is known as a Krishna Raja Sagar Dam, where this Lakshman Tirtha and Kaveri river confluence. Understand that this Krishna Raja Sagar Dam is not constructed on the river Krishna, it is constructed on the river Kaveri. Kindly remember this information which is very important. You can understand this picture of this Krishna Raja Sagar Dam. Now next important river that we have is river Kabini. Now river Kabini also originates from the Western Ghat, from this Kerala or state of Kerala for the Wayanad district. You can see that this Kabini flows from 2 important protected areas. One is a Wayanad Wildlife Sanctuary and the second is Nagarhole National Park. You can see where they exactly are located. This Wayanad Wildlife Sanctuary is located in the state of Kerala and this Nagarhole National Park is there in the state of Karnataka. From these 2 protected areas, this river Kabini flows. You can also take picture of this Google map as well. You can see this is a Kabini river flowing through this Wayanad National Park. Often students are asking me this question, do we need to study everything in so detail associated with the river? I'm not asking you to study everything in so much detail, but I can give you full proof that in the recent time, as examination is becoming more tough, we need to study a little bit extra. You don't need to do that. I'm there to do all your homework. But I expect you to go through these videos multiple times and study it very well. You can understand this question which UPSC has asked in the year of 2020. The question is, which of the following protected areas are located in the Kaveri Basin? The first option, Nagarhole National Park. Second is Papikonda National Park. Third is Satyamangalam Tiger Reserve. And fourth is Wayanad Wildlife Sanctuary. Now you can understand that how much this entire portion is important if you want to clear upcoming preliminary examination. If you have followed my sessions previously very well, in the river Godavari river basin, I have completed this Papikonda National Park. That is the beauty of these sessions, that I'm not just covering the rivers, their origin and their flow and the states, but I am exclusively doing it for the ecology, biodiversity and environment purpose as well as you are getting that proper understanding and bridging this gap between this geography and environment. So you can understand this Papikonda National Park, the Godavari river flows. So we can eliminate the second option here, A and D get eliminated. We left with B and C. That is Satyamangalam and Wayanad for sure are there nearby this river basin of Kaveri. And if you are following my sessions right now, you will understand even Nagarholi National Park, which is located in the state of Karnataka, get water supply from this Kaveri river basin. Now, the third important right bank tributary is the river Bhavani. This Bhavani river again originate from the state of Kerala, especially from the Nilgiri hills of Western Ghat. You can see the map of this river Bhavani. Now here it enters in the Silent Valley National Park. I will show you where exactly this Silent Valley National Park is located. Silent Valley National Park is located in the state of Kerala, through which this Bhavani river flows. Also understand through this map as well. And also remember that this Kaveri and its all right and left bank tributaries are considering as a perennial river. We don't have any other perennial river in the peninsular India. The only reason is that this Kaveri basin get water supply from the advancing monsoon, that is a southwest monsoon, as well as from the retreating monsoon, that is northeastern monsoon. So this river called as perennial river, as well as all its tributaries. Now the next important river, which is basically tributary of this Bhavani river, is the river Moyar. Now this river Moyar is important because it originates from the Mudumalai National Park in the state of Tamil Nadu, from the Nilgiri mountain range itself. You can see where is this Mudumalai National Park in the state of Tamil Nadu, and it is creating a natural border between, or frontier between, the state of Tamil Nadu as well as Karnataka. It flows between this Mudumalai and Bandipur National Park. So both the national park and protected areas are associated with the Kaveri basin. You can see this picture of this Moyar river. Now there is another important river, that is a Noyal river, again tributary of this river Kaveri. This Noyal river, only one fact to remember is that city Coimbatore is located or situated on the bank of this Noyal river. That is only important information. You can see that Coimbatore city, which is very important city in the state of Tamil Nadu, especially western part of Tamil Nadu, which get a southwest monsoon spell from this Palakkad gap. So this is Coimbatore and this Noyal river flowing from this region. Now the last river that we have is the river Amravati. Now Amravati is the river which originates from the border states of Kerala and Tamil Nadu. You can see that there is Amravati river on the border of Kerala and Tamil Nadu. And also understand a very important information, physiography of India, I am linking it with, you understand that this river, this Anamalai hills and Palani hills, those are there in the state of Tamil Nadu, Anamalai and Palani. Between these two hills, this Amravati river originates. So this is again a very important information. For the revision purpose, you can definitely take screenshot of these rivers, its protected areas, as well as the states associated with those rivers and the protected areas. There is a colorful map as well I have attached. I hope this entire information will help you for geography as well as for the ecology and biodiversity. I hope you are enjoying this session. If so, please share it with all your friends those are sincerely preparing for examination. That 1 marks, 1 question, and in general associated with the drainage system, at least minimum 3 to 4 questions you can attend. That means around 8 marks. Huge marks and huge margin. You can clear this examination by taking help of these sessions of the drainage system. I hope you are enjoying it. Please do share with your friends. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.